Arda Güler doesn't just play football, he makes it beautiful. He sees passes like Toni Kroos. He dribbles like Messi. He's creative like Ozil. Güler doesn't just play in midfield, he controls it. And now, under Xabi Alonso's guidance, he will only grow to an even better player. Real Madrid fans were right. The Ozil hype is real. Through charlatans, Güller's dribbling is magical, and his crosses are deadly. Once he improves his defending, there's no doubt he will be starting every single game. Do you agree? Let's talk in the comments.